goodness, it's a vlog and we're not starting in a car. What? Hi guys! I think the heat's on, so this might sound a little bad. The couch is a little bit messy on a time when we're not filming. But to be fair, we haven't filmed a reaction in quite a while. Today is the 3rd, I believe. Yeah. A lot of people know that we spent the second half of December feeling pretty sick. We're kind of just getting over it, but it's also the first snow of the year, which means that most people are sitting inside drinking hot cocoa, and we are going to brave the outside for a photo shoot right after getting over sick, because we do things like that. Child, there's probably like 7 billion reasons why we should not be doing this today. But there's one reason that stands out above everything as to why we are doing it today. Weather is unpredictable. It's exactly how we need it to be outside right now. And we're both free. I'm not somewhere, she's not somewhere, she's not at work. And we have 90% of the things that we need. We kind of just have to spontaneously go, because if the weather isn't like this again, I mean, it probably won't be, but if it's not, then we want to make sure we have the pictures. Otherwise, we'll have all the pictures for everything but winter. Especially with climate change and global warming, it's just important that we get these winter shots. Anya's upstairs getting all cute and ready. I feel for her because she will be in like dresses, and we're getting her a coat, but me, I don't have to worry about that. I'm bundling up. I got my snow boots on. I had snow pants that I was gonna wear, but the zipper popped, so turns out they don't fit, which, to be honest, I haven't worn them since I was like 17 or something, and it doesn't take a genius to find out my ass has grown since then. It's not that surprising. Okay, let's see how her situation is.
Hello.
Hello. You're not dressed how I thought you'd be dressed.
No, not yet.
Say hello to the people.
Hello to the people.
Oh, Percy. I thought it was like a crown, so I was like, I don't know how it's gonna fit around all that hair, but it's a tiara. Perfection. Alright, get dressed. We got business to attend to. This is an OnlyFans account now. Go ahead.
Okay, bye.
Go ahead.
Get dressed.
Goodbye. Let's look at the snow in person. Are your batteries for your camera charged?
No idea.
Do you know where they are? No. Hello! We are out here in the snow. You guys are covered by an umbrella. If you hear any whining, that's honey. Or scratching.
Hey.
Guys, it's cold. You gotta look like the cold never bothered you anyway.
Oh, I know. Just give me a second.
You got me quick. Let's do some in front of the shrubbery.
You need a stand?
Yeah, I do. And I'm gonna make a path for you.
Okay. They're not gonna be able to see.
Turning, you guys. Oh. You know, you get ready. I'm gonna look at what the camera's looking at. I think she actually froze, guys. She hasn't moved since I moved. Whose idea was this? Ours collectively.
Why am I winter? I'm gonna cry. Okay, get your ass over here.
You ready?
I need you to be ready before I'm ready.
I am ready.
Okay. I don't hear clicks.
I'm focusing. You still want the pictures to be good.
Okay, well when you go ahead.
Tell me when you're focusing.
Go ahead.
Do you want to warm up a little bit inside? Can I take a little break?
Yes. It's in my shoes. It's in my shoes.
I told you I feel sorry for her.
Y'all, it's cold as shit. Ow. This tape is working hard because the bottom of the dress is now heavier because of all the snow.
What tape do you mean?
My booby tape. Because this dress is falling
For 13 minutes.
Y'all, we are getting over COVID.
Yeah, I said that in the beginning.
Yeah.
I was saying how there's like 7,000 reasons as to why we shouldn't be doing this. We're gonna head outside.
We're gonna head out
in the back. Oh,
that's where we did the second half of the
summer
shoot. Okay. Alright, put my shoes back on.
This isn't really fun for me either.
You get me back to that swing set. Girl, you need to eat.
Do you want to take a break?
Oh, the one on my neck is coming off. Just, can you get it? Can you get
This one?
Yes.
It's very cool.
We can go.
You ready?
Honey, you can come out with us this time if you actually. Oh my God, it's coming. It's. I kind of forgot that I wasn't just using the camera. I forgot that it was recording. It sounds like Pop Rocks. That's all, folks.
Say what's up.
What's up? Yeah, we should go to the swing anyway because there's no trash cans back there. So it's fine.
So no
We
swing.
can sit there.
Yeah, on the bench.
Yeah, I just want the bench to be.
I can move the bench.
Okay, move the bench.
I'm gonna move the bench.
Ooh, I want a hoagie. Where are you moving it to?
Where do you want me to move it to?
I don't know.
I go somewhere not far. I would love another person to help me with this. And that wasn't an at you. I just would.
I wish I could help, but I think I'm stuck.
Again?
Honey's pooping. Hi. Fast as fuck, boy. I have boots on this time. Do I really have to take this jacket off?
We can't see the fit, girl. Made a path for you.
Okay. we can take this jacket pictures out now. We're gonna do standing, then I'm gonna sit, then I'm gonna run around sprinting, and then we're done. Honey, come on.
You good?
Oh my God, I almost died.
It sounded like it. I definitely could have been the one to let her in. And maybe should have.
Honey, come on. Think more thoughts. Let's go.
Ooh.
It's so cold. No, we're gonna frolic. You want the coat? Yes, I'll sit on the coat.
These better be the best ones. Just walking around.
Just like on a jump or something. Alright, it's good enough. It's enough slices.
She's frolicking.
Oh, we have to frolicking in this. Let's go.
Okay. So.
Oh God. Okay. All right. We're good. We're done.
Let's see how these came out.
The summer suit was so much more fun.
Turn off! It doesn't want to turn off! It's like the sensor's frozen or something.
It might be, honestly.
Turn it off.
Hi. All right. Oh my God. I'm visibly so cold. Just look at my
I
face.
know, you're doing your absolute best. That's cute.
Ooh, period. Yes. The before the picture, like okay.
You look like you're about to sneeze.
It's
It's the red nose.
Oh, I see why you had to fix the exposure. My goodness. Oh my God, I look like I just froze.
Yeah.
I look like I'm dying.
That's when you're like, yeah, sure. You take some with the jacket. That first picture, bro. Go back to it. Oh, that's nice. There you actually look like a model and not like...
I wonder if like models have pictures like these.
They have to.
Where like
America's Next Top
I need
Model.
to see like Zendaya looking like this.
Yes.
Okay.
We need to know you're human.
With my nose as bright as. I was like, you know what? I don't even care how I look right. I don't even know what. I don't know. If my face wasn't like this. There we go. Oh my god, the tag!
Were you falling?
Yes.
Aw, the poor little cold baby.
And we're done.
And we're done.
That was good.
I like them.
I do want better frolicking.
You want better frolicking ones? You're the main one in the cold. You don't like your face?
No, yeah, I don't.
We got some good frolicking ones, but if you want some more, we can go back out there.
We did get good ones. It's okay.
You forgot and then remembered how cold it was?
Yeah. We got some good pictures. It's okay. It's alright. It's alright. We got enough.
You got a solid amount.
We have a solid amount. It's fine.
If you are satisfied, I am satisfied.
I'm gonna be satisfied because I'm not going back.
Okay.
Not in this. No siree, ma'am. No siree, Bob.
I like them. Do you guys like them? Show the pictures! If you watch to the end, put some snowflakes.
Yeah. Should I do some ASMR? Do you guys want to watch me peel this stuff off? I know I see like videos on TikTok.
It's kind of gross.
I know you especially probably hate it.
It's like you're peeling off your skin. I'm not like the biggest fan of it. I have a thing with skin.
That's all, folks.
Bye.